Okay, welcome back to our second interactive notebook entry for watersheds. This one is, we're going to focus on what are the major rivers in Virginia and trying to draw this map of Virginia with them. This is a great map because it shows the larger watersheds. The Chesapeake Bay Watershed, you can see is that one in lighter pink. If you go further south, and that's where Richmond is, right in the middle. So our regional watershed is the Chesapeake Bay Watershed. If you go south though and east, that's going to be the North Carolina Sound watershed. Those water drops are going to flow south into the North Carolina Sound if you've ever been to like the Outer Banks in that area. And then if you go really far southwest, that's the Mississippi River watershed. So you'll actually see the signs if you're driving down 64 out west. You are now leaving the Chesapeake Bay watershed. So their water drops actually go south and then west into the Mississippi River. But you can see we focus here on Richmond on this Chesapeake Bay watershed. And the four major rivers, remember we have the most northern one is the Potomac, then the Rappahannock, then the James. And I always think of it as, please remember your jacket. I want you all to come up with your own mnemonic, okay? And write that at the bottom of your interactive notebook page. You can see mine. Doesn't look super great. Virginia looks a little wonky, but you can very clearly see the rivers in order from north to south, and that's how I want you to draw them. And for me, I put please remember your jacket. We've talked about please remember your Jordans. I want you to write at the bottom of your page your own mnemonic to help you remember. Potomac, Rappahannock, York, and James. And then make sure you take a picture of that, okay? And attach it to your assignment.